Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 30th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the 4-hour time frame, we just kept on pushing down on the US dollar index. I was thinking yesterday that it was possibly going to start a move to the upside, but the big clue was that it never broke structure up. If you're following along with the charts are showing you, there was really no reason to think that it was going up yet, at least on this time frame. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, I still think there is a chance that it may make a higher low and it may end up pushing up. But like I was saying yesterday, I was thinking that it was going to go up here, but it made lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. It looked like it was going to go up. Then it never broke structure at a Fibonacci level, but instead it made another one, two, three-way pullback, and it just kept on pushing down. So for me, I would definitely still be bearish the dollar. I would definitely be keeping an eye on my fib levels if it makes like a double bottom type thing, especially if it's at a Fibonacci level and it breaks structure to the upside at a fib level. That's what's going to turn us bullish on the dollar again. You have to see the break of structure. It's not just seeing a fib bounce, it's seeing like a fib bounce and a break of structure that should turn us back to being bullish the dollar and looking for longs on the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.